Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So here we have to connect the MySQL workbench to with the Cloud SQL under the MySQL server to check whether whatever the data we are inserting to the MySQL, whether it is reflecting in the our destination like in the Cloud SQL or not. Okay. So in order to install the MySQL workbench, you just need to check like the download my you have to search like the download mysql workbench msi installer for the window. So you will get the first link, like you just need to open the download the mysql installer, the first link, and you have to download the msi installer, which is 437 meg MB. Okay, so you have to download it, and it's very straightforward. And once downloaded this exe file or msi file, you just need to set up it, and it's very straightforward. You just need to next, they can it is will install. Once it get installed the mysql workbench, you have to open it. Okay, so you can see here I have the mysql workbench. So let me remove all the existing connection. Let me delete the existing connection first, because after that I can connect to the local mysql as well as the google cloud sql. Okay, let me give an example like the cloud sql. Okay, because first you have to connect the cloud sql. Okay, so let me copy the ip of the cloud sql of the master one. I copy the ip, the username with the root, and the password will be say at the rate of 123. Okay, while creating the new instance, like while creating the migration job, I have already defined the password. Okay, so let me connect now. Yeah, it is connected. Okay, sometimes you will get difficulties while connecting this mice the cloud sql with the workbench. Okay, if that's so, then you need to open this. If you have to go to the sql. Okay, and mysql I mean the cloud sql, you have to open it. Okay, let me tell you how to allow to connect. uh, if you face any difficulties, you just need to open it, and you can see here. uh, Let me go back. I think it is not required from here. It would be required from the you know uh, second, I mean the second instance. Let me open it. No, I have to, yeah, open. I have to open that. Let me open it. On the left hand side, you can see once open this, on the left hand side there are options to options connection, right? Let me open the connection. If you go below, uh, you can see that there is options networking, and here I have to allow the network as you are trying to connect to MySQL workbench your laptop. So you have to check what is the public IP of your your desktop or for the laptop. So I have to check what is my IP address. Okay, so here you can see IP version 6 available. Okay, IP version 4 also coming. Okay, you have to copy this IP version 4 IP, and you have to add here. Hmm? So that the it will allow to connect from that network. Hmm? So it is connecting. It is not required for the time being. Okay, so let me open it just check whether it is connecting or not. Yeah, it is connecting also. As the migrations job is already started, also we are able to see that db and tables. Okay, whatever the db and table is present inside the cloud sql, I mean the local mysql. Okay, that is also already replicated to our uh, google cloud sql. Okay, so now let me connect the local sql. whatever I have already simulated for the in the local environment. I'm trying to open that. Okay, let me paste the IP. I also enter the password of the MySQL. Let me test the connection. It also got connected. Let me open that. So what can I do now? So I will try to insert some new data. I mean the some new data into the tables. Then we can see whatever the data I'm inserting to the table, whether it is replicating to our Google Cloud SQL or not. Okay, so I connected from the both environment, Google Cloud SQL environment as well as the local SQL environment. So I have to insert the data into the local SQL environment. Okay, our target is if I insert any data into the local MySQL, that should be reflected in our Google Cloud SQL. So let me run the query first. So if you see here, there is only one row. Okay, in a destination, I mean in the table it is one row. So let me insert another row here. Let me change the value. I'm trying to insert the new value in the table. It would be books. I have to define the DB name also because I'm trying to insert the data in one line, okay, without selecting the DB. So I have to define the DB also. Okay. So the second value, the second row got inserted. So let me rerun the query inside the Google Cloud SQL. So there should be two row now. Okay, earlier it was one row. So now you can see second value, I mean the new value got replicated into the Google Cloud SQL. Okay, so you can insert another row. Okay, so let me insert another row also, so it should be reflected also in the Google Cloud SQL. Okay, so it is the procedure like to migrate the data from the local environment to Google Cloud SQL. So thank you guys, so please subscribe, share my channel. Okay, so we can connect in the next session. Thank you.